Hi, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of my new Excel Sinking Fund Tracker. This template can only run well in Excel 365. So before you buy this template, make sure you first have Excel 365. This template available for a purchase on my Etsy shop, and you can find the link to this template in the description down below. Okay, let's get started. First you get your Sinking Funds template. This is where you will be set up your currency and the decimal separator to match your regional settings on your computer. And also in this sheet you can customize this template label into your own language. After you have finished setting, then we move on to the Sinking Funds sheet. Here you will add all the information regarding your sinking funds. Here you will add your goals, and the rest will be automatically updated. This table will show your initial suggested to save, that's calculated according to your goal, and the time period you set here. Next, you can choose the image that will be used for the visual tracker. You can choose a different image for each sinking fund. What you need to do is copy the image from the table next to this and paste it in the box provided. You can also choose other images that you want that are not in this database. You can find out how to do this in the PDF file included with the purchase of this template. After that, all you need to do is register your transaction. Here you will add all your transactions. To add rows to this table you can press the Add button. And if you want to delete the last row in this transactions table, just press the Delete button. You also don't need to worry if you enter a transaction date that is earlier than today's date, because you can use this sort button to sort them according to what you want. So, what you need to do is input the transaction date here, select the fund you want to add, and the amount. In this sheet you can also search for data related to the transactions you have entered. Just double-click in this box and write what you want to filter. Next we move to Sinking Funds Tracker sheet. On this sheet you can see a summary of your goal, how many days left, and the status of your goal. And also you get your initials suggested to save, that's calculated according to your goal and the time period you set. But then as time goes by and you actually start saving money, you might be saving a bit more or a bit less than what was initially suggested. So this will keep updating accordingly to let you know how much money you need to be saving per month to actually reach your goal. So it could be less money than what you initially thought and it will turn green, or it could be more money than what you initially thought, because maybe you had an emergency, so you had to take some money out, so that will update in this table, and this table are separate so you can compare. And next table is contributions and withdrawals, and last table is your summary monthly transaction. Next, I will explain what is in the dashboard sheet. Basically all the information in this dashboard is pulled automatically from your sinking fund information and the transactions you make. You can see the current balance, how many months until your goal ends, how many goals have been completed, then your total goal, and how much more you need to save. Here there are also several graphs that show your total goal progress, then the status of your goals, how many are still in progress, how many are overdue, how many have been completed, and more. If you swipe down, you will see a table that shows all the information about all your sinking funds goals. The last thing I want to show you is this visual tracker sheet. To provide more visualization for your goals, I made this visual tracker where you can track your progress. Rather than just a chart or progress bar, I think this display is more interesting, so here you just have to determine how many boxes you want to display, and this will automatically calculate how much each box or image is worth. Once you reach this amount, it will change color according to what you have set up in the sinking fund sheet. Yes, that's all I can show you about the Sinking Fund Tracker. If you are interested in having it, you can buy it in my shop at Etsy.com. The purchase link is in the description of this video. Hopefully this video is useful for you, or at least can give you a little inspiration in creating the sinking fund template that you want. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.